येता So hello, namaskar and a very good evening to all of you. I hope that all of you are doing absolutely fine. This is your travel buddy Harshish Bhandari and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So what is the plan for today? Oh, now I'm heading to, you'll come to know in a while. Lopde. So yes, we are finally over here. If you all can see straight, it is really dark over there. I think it is raining over there. So we are here finally, and yes, it is Kap Dai Ram, as all of you all might have guessed it already. And I'll show you the place where I used to sit. A lot of you all have been telling me that to do my vlogs in English or Hindi so that people out from Goa can understand the vlogs. So yes, I'll try to shoot my vlog today in English and Hindi. And yes, obviously a little bit of Konkani, because my bas बोला थी जिबलेर इल्ली तरी उडपाकूच जाय. So yes, I'll try to do that. पयलीच sorry म्हणटा if I fumble on my words in English or in Hindi. So I'll show you a place. I have been to Kap Dai Ram I think 10 to 15 times in this, before the pandemic. In this year only, in 1 year I have been here 10 to 15 times alone. I don't know for what, I don't know the reason. I just come over here and this is the location that I sit. I'll show you all. So if you all can see, this is the place that I sit, because it is pretty much in the center and the view is really nice from here. I just sit over here for say half an hour or like that and I just leave. And the funny part is I've been over here 10 to 15 times and I have not yet visited the beach, which is down over there. So yes, it will be first time me visiting the beach over here. Let's see. I think the way is from this side. So yes, let's go on the beach first. So just enjoy the cinematics that I've shot for you. So yes guys, I'm heading towards the beach and probably for the first time. So let's go together. So yes, I finally made it to the beach at last and the water levels are pretty much up for obvious reasons. It is rainy season. I'm not sure if I'll go that way because the water is up and I am scared of water too. So heights and water that I'm scared of. Pretty much no one. It's pretty nice. So I'm also shooting with the action camera, as you can see over here. So let me know about the quality, which is better, this one or this one. And I'll try to put it side by side so that you can see. Prepared something for you all guys, if you all can see. So yes, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The weather has turned out. Let's see. I'll be going from here in a while. In 5-10 minutes I'll leave. I can't see a way, but let's try. Just take a look at the thing that I'm going through. This is it.
I hope that I don't fall, re Baba.
So if you all can see over there, I'll try to zoom it. अशें दिसता की देव आशीर्वाद दिता वयल्यान. Like आनी खंयच ना. It is like सगळे कडेन दमट आसा, and only at that place you can see the sunlight. So yes, now I'm heading back. One final watch. Bye bye. I literally washed my jeans 2 days back, and I think even today I'll have to wash them. घर पे जाने का, चाय पीने का और सोने का रे बाबा. नहीं. I'll have to edit first, then I'll have to sleep. Take some photographs and then leave from here. But just take one more glance at this beautiful place. Of my purpose. I don't know, somehow that really looks nice. So yes guys, that was all it for today. Let's get out of here before it rains. It looks like it will rain, because last time I got wet while coming home, and I had a severe headache for the next day. So it is better I don't get wet and get heading back home. Bye bye. So yes guys, I'm finally back home. It is 7 o'clock, and yes, hopefully I did not get any rains. I hope you all liked it. I tried to take as many shots also with the action camera, and yes, action camera. Thank you Saurabh for lending me your action camera to test it. It was really nice of you. And yes, I tried to take some shots with the action camera as well as with my phone. So you can just let me know how does the action camera perform. And yes, that was all from my side for today. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. So share sudha kara. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Red button also, and also press the notifications to get regular updates when I upload my vlogs. Thank you for making me a part of your day. I'll see you soon in the next vlog. Bye bye, take care and stay safe.